Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cash out on Atlas Earth. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, before I start this video, we need to have at least $5 in cash to cash out. So to cash out, click on your income on the top of the page there. Then from here, on the bottom, it's going to say redeem now. So when your income reaches $5, you can redeem it for real money. How cool. I don't have $5 to show you directly, but I'll be able to show you by what I know. So from here, choose redemption method. So you can opt for your preferred payout method, such as PayPal. And then from there, enter the amount. So input the amount you wish to redeem. As I said, $5 as minimum, whole dollars only. Then from there, provide your email address. Enter your email address associated with your chosen payout. Then you need to verify your identity. So a verification code will be sent to your registered phone number. Enter this code to confirm. Then from there, submit request. So finalize the process by submitting your redemption request. Redemption requests are typically processed instantly, but might take up to 5 business days, especially during weekends or holidays.